Hi, I'm Lisa with Pan American Seed, and we're the breeders of the fabulous Wave Petunias. In front of me is the product that started it all 25 years ago. Purple Wave Classic revolutionized gardening with petunias. And I'm going to share examples here of some wonderful garden performers and tell you why these should be in your garden. So in front of me is Purple Wave Classic, and we'll look at Purple Wave Carmine Velour on the right. These two are the carpet of color. You can see here that they're flat and low growing. They have wonderful spread, so they cover a large area. If you're looking for that product to drape over the edge of a wall or a big basket, Purple Wave Classic, Wave Carmine Velour are great options. And I hope you can see here that they are just loaded with color. High color impact, really bold, vivid colors that just perform. In the middle is these are a couple of my favorite performers. These are tidal waves, and you can see they're rising up out of that garden bed, and they're going to grow up this obelisk, and it's going to be covered in color. What I like about tidal wave, you're seeing the silver and you're seeing red velour here, is this is big three-dimensional color. So if you're looking for products that fill a large space, that can grow up and out, and really don't require a lot of maintenance, look for tidal waves.